Friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today recipe is a sabji, a side dish with mushroom and mutter. The ingredients required to do this side dish is onions, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, cloves, cinnamon, green chili, peppercorns, cumin seeds, star anise, coriander leaves, few cashewnut soaked in water, green peas, mushroom cut into chunks, and of course tomato. These are the ingredients required to do our simple and very delicious Mutter mushroom sabji. So let us get into the kitchen. To our mushroom mutter sabji, the first step is I have taken a non-stick pan, added 2 tablespoons of refined oil. In that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, along with our cumin seeds we are going to add a tablespoon of peppercorns. As the cumin seeds and peppercorns are getting tossed, meanwhile you can see our tomato is nicely getting blanched. So let this get ready. Meanwhile we are going to add star anise, followed with that few cinnamon and few cloves. So now we are going to add a tablespoon of chopped ginger, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, followed with 2 finely chopped green chilies, along with our chopped onions. Our blanched tomatoes are in the mixie to make it to a fine paste, followed with our soaked cashew nuts, few numbers. So we need to grind it to a fine paste now. Find our onions are finely getting tossed. I'm going to add the required amount of salt. Followed with that I'm going to add our freshly grounded paste, which is our tomato and cashew nuts. You can find our gravy is getting ready. So meanwhile I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric powder, followed with 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Still this raw smell of the powder goes. Just cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. And the oil is getting separated. So at this stage I'm going to add a cup of fresh green peas. At this stage I'm going to add a tablespoon of fresh cream. This is optional. If you don't prefer it, you can skip it. Cream is nicely gelled with our green peas. So now I'm going to add the chopped mushroom chunks, 200 grams. Mix it well and close the lid and cook the mushroom and the green peas for about 10 minutes in medium flame. Little water, around half a glass of water, and close the lid and cook the mushroom and the peas for about 10 minutes in medium flame. See our mutter and mushroom sabji. Yes, such a nice aroma. Feel like just eating right away. So it's almost ready. You can find our mushroom buttons are nicely cooked and it is soft, and the green peas is also cooked well. So now it's ready to be garnished with coriander leaves and have it displayed. Let me have it garnished. So now it can be ready to be displayed. So friends, you can find our Mutter mushroom sabji or the Mutter mushroom side dish is ready to be served hot. It goes very well with chapati, naan, kulcha, dosa, idli. So please do try this recipe. It's a very simple recipe and can be made just in 20 minutes. Try this recipe. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another unique recipes shortly. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye.